Hey guys, I'm Andy Erwin, Safety and Compliance Manager here at K&B Transportation, and today I'm going to give you a few pointers on how to properly set load locks and make sure that they are set to function properly. We're going to start, we have one set already, and I'm just going to take the loose one here and show you how to properly set it. So you just push it out until it's snug, not too snug, and then you can grab hold here and clamp it down. Properly release the load locks. You push in on your handle, and then your little lever here gets loose. You can push it in. Make sure to keep your fingers away from there because you will pinch them. It does not feel pleasant. You can slide it all the way forward, and then it's going to be free sliding from there. One of the pointers I'll tell you guys, the purpose of having two here is that first one expanded our trailer as much as it could. And that second one then is going to be set as tight as it possibly can so it won't fail as we're going down the road. I would then remove my second one and do the same thing 3 or 4 feet higher for my top one. I would always set my bottom one first and then my top one. This way, if the top one failed and you were bent down here doing the bottom one, it's going to fall on the back of your head. So safety wise, do the bottom one first and then move to your top.